This is a workshop about standardization. We just show the process of standardization in a very easy form and in a hands-on practice. So we start with, for example, orange juice. Here in the workshop we try to get as close as it can get to the industrial processed orange juice made out of concentrate.
It's something you know, but you never think about it. Of course, you know that there are big fabrics that are producing food, but you never really think about how they do it and in which way. So in a way, I think I've seen a few things I didn't know before.
Well, what I liked most was this long act that we produced. This was the trigger for me to participate in this workshop, because I thought, yes, I really want to do it. I want to see how it is produced.
We try to make a whole meal, like a burger meal, so we standardize the weight of a burger, then we make the burger buns, because they always have to look the same and have the same feeling, so there are some kind of techniques and tricks with emulgators and stuff like that to guarantee that the bun always looks, feels and tastes the same. Soylent is a new form of nutrition, and it's highly standardized, and it's even more standardized than fast food. All the nutrition you need to have certain minerals, fats, and you just mix them up and make a perfect nutrition for you. Yeah, it's like a high art in engineering, really. Of course, you know a little bit, how production lines look like. But when you go into the details and then you see that it's a lot of development behind that.